Welcome to the RidgeRun Video Stabilization Calibration tool. This video will explore the Stabilization Tuning tool. First, click on Stabilization Tuning. Then, connect to the target using the IP username and password as it's connected via SSH. After connecting to the board, please select the capture properties such as width, height, and the video device. Also, select the IMU configuration such as frequency, sensor, orientation, and lag. Then, load the camera and IMU calibration files and select the stabilization parameters. These can be changed later as well. Finally, enable the NVIDIA Jetson support and hardware encoding if available. For an initial preview, press Start. It may take some seconds to start. Once started, you can observe a preview of the original video on the top and the output after the stabilization at the bottom. Then, you can move the camera and observe the metrics of the temporal SSIM and the jitter. The SSIM indicates how the structure of the image changes as the frame circulates, and the jitter shows the degree of movement from a frame with respect to its previous. We can change the camera lag and the orientation, as well as the stabilizer options to try different configurations while observing the metrics. After a change, stop and start the preview. In this case, we are altering the orientation and changing the camera lag. This will improve the synchronization as we are going to observe. Moving the camera now will maintain the central object in the center, making the stabilized series having a better SSIM and a lower pixel jitter. Even the preview has some delay, the analytics will track the actual video and provide adequate insights. This shows how to get a better criteria of the stabilization options and the IMU configuration, maximizing the quality of the results. Thanks for watching.